Good evening and welcome to yet another how I make videos, and in this video I've got something of a confession to make. So if you can cast your mind back to the first part of the video, I showed you all the equipment I used. There's a little something I'd forgotten. Now, I was watching another video, it was Hitch Up and Tow, and it was showing the GoPro accessories. Now, it turns out I actually bought one myself when I got my first GoPro, the Hero 3 Plus Black. So what we'll do is I'll show you what's in mine. So I went on Amazon, and you can pick these up for about 20 quid or thereabouts. It's just generic GoPro compatible accessories. You get all sorts of stuff in it. Now I don't think I've got everything here because I've messed it about, but I'll give you an idea what you typically get. And the first thing you get is this handle that you mount your GoPro on, and it'll float. You know, if you're doing underwater stuff, it's handy for underwater shots. And now, I don't think this didn't come with it. This is a genuine GoPro case. And we've got a wrist mount. I'll quickly demonstrate. It's handy if you want a wrist mount. Just put it on like so. I'll just quickly adjust it there. You go. Just mount your GoPro on your wrist. So that's your wrist mount. Try to get it off. We've got a clip, and if you want to mount it to something, probably can't find anything, but I'll try it on this BMW. No, that's not the best thing, but little clips, clip mount, that's handy. There's various mounts, including 3M pads. You have like straight ones. Let's see if I can find a straight one. There's a straight one there, or curved one if you mount it on the helmet. You know, if you're on a bike or a motorcycle, another curved one. Just various ones. And I've got a bracket, so it just gives you various options for mounting it. You know, if you have a there's various mounts there. It's probably not a good representation of everything. Somewhere strap this. That's another sticky pad. Get sticky pads with all these, and some more sticky pads in here that should be with the. Well, that's not. I'm sure what that's for. I'll just put these back and I'll show you the rest of the accessories. So in here, there's three things. Got a chest mount, which is handy if you want, like a body cam. I'll just try demonstrate here. Just demonstrate the body mount, like a harness. Let's have a look. So it just goes on like so. I've only used this a handful of times. Then we can see it. You just mount your GoPro, and there's like a body cam. We have the head mount. So I got handy for mounting GoPro on your head. And if you want a driver's eye view, if you're driving, that's it in here. I think some sticky pads. Oh, and something else. Already I've showed you one of these. But this comes with like a selfie stick. Now I do have another one of these which I bought before I got my accessory. But you can never have too many accessories. So that's basically what you get in these GoPro accessories. So just put it all away. Handy to have if you want different angles. I can't remember if it come with a case or not, because I do have two cases for my Hero 3. Obviously I don't need it with this Hero 7 I'm recording it on, that's waterproof. But your earlier cameras, definitely up to Hero 4, you need a waterproof case if you want to do anything. And then shooting underwater, if you're shooting a video underwater. But I know that 7 onwards are definitely waterproof. So I thought I'd quickly show you that, forgotten about it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell, and you get notified when one of my videos comes out. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.